am Mr. N.W. Redden, Odia Road, Secretariat Parish. We have just finished celebrating our Christmas service, which we celebrate every year. And this service is celebrated around the world, where all Christians are. We have a Merry Christmas. And on behalf of the Christian community, I take this opportunity, especially the Catholic community of Odia Road, to wish each and every one, all our brothers and sisters, Christian, non-Christian, Hindu, Muslim, we wish you all a Merry and Happy Christmas.
नमस्कार मु फादर मृत्युंजय आज आम मैंने क्रिसमस पर्व पालन करियो प्रभु जीशु ख्रीष्ट एही धरापृष्ठ जन्म ग्रहण करियो सही आनंद आम मैंने समस्त उपभोग करियो प्रभु जीशु ख्रीष्ट आसी अछंती आमान को शांति आनंद खुशी देबा पई एही अवसर रे मु आपण समस्त को क्रिसमस रो शुभेच्छा जणाउछि।
आज प्रभुंकर जन्म उत्सव रे आमाने समस्त एकत्रित होइछु। एठी तीनटी संप्रदाय रे आमे अछु, एंग्लो इंडियन, ओडिया, तेलुगु, हिंदी भी अछंती, किंतु ए स्थान रे कोनोसी प्रकार भेदभाव नाही। आज प्रभुंकर जन्मदिन रे आमे समस्त एक गोटे क्रिश्चियन रूपे आमे गणित अछु। आज आमान मन प्रफुल्लित अटे। आमाने आमान को आज दिन बहुत बड़ दिन अटे।
Hello, my name is Clement Naik and I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate Christmas celebrations. It's 24th midnight and the celebration, the joy across the world of course right now is very interesting and intriguing. It's so chilled here, still we are all celebrating, and Christmas brings us all joy because it's the date when we believe Jesus Christ took birth on earth around 2000 years back. And our church here at Jatni has been existing since the British era, even before my dad and grandfather was born. But the atmosphere and the history, the ancient tradition is still intact. Year by year, we always try to upscale our decorations and all kind of arrangements and activities which we do every year. And it's so great to be here, to be experiencing this wild experience here at Jatni.